Hello everyone and welcome to Fatma Sami's channel. This video is for the 6th grade semester 1. Today's video we're gonna do some exercises on Unit 1 Skills Book. Unit 1 Creative Crafts. Exercise number 1. Write questions and answers. Look at these pictures of arts and crafts from different countries. Write questions and answers about each one. Use the words in the phrase to help you. Let's see the answers. Number 1. What is it? It's a rug. Number 2. What are they? They are matryoshka dolls. Number 3. What is it? It's origami. Number 4. What is it? It's a bracelet. Number 5. What are they? They are sand paintings. Number 6. What is it? It's a ball. Number 7. What are they? They are rugs. Exercise number 1. Read and complete. In your group, look at the IKC membership, the International Kids Club membership cards. They show you information about the IKC children you met in grade 5. They also give you information about some of the new members. Complete the chart below using the information from the IKC membership cards. Write their names here, and write their ages here, and their country here. Let's see the answers. Now, let's move to exercise number 2. Think and write. Who do you think sent these pictures to Ahmed? Write their names under the pictures. Let's see the answers. Number 1. An origami. Number 2. Sand paintings. Number 3. Matryoshka dolls. Number 4. A Palestinian plate. Number 5. Omani rugs. Exercise number 3. Think and match. Draw a line from the question to the correct answer. Let's read the questions first. Number 1. What's your name? Number 2. How old are you? Number 3. Where are you from? Now, let's read the answers. A. I'm from Oman. B. My name is Maha. C. I'm 12. Now, let's match the questions to the correct answer. Number 1 matches B. What's your name? My name is Maha. Number 2 matches C. How old are you? I'm 12. Number 3 matches A. Where are you from? I'm from Oman. Exercise number 1. Read and answer. Look at these pictures and answer these questions. Use the information on page 4 and 5 of your class book to help you. Let's see the answers. Number 1 is done for you. What is it? It's a necklace. Number 2. Where is it from? It's from Palestine. Number 3. What is it made of? It's made of sand. Number 4. What are they? They are matryoshka dolls. Number 5. Where are they from? They are from Japan. Number 6. What are they made of? They are made of wool. Exercise number 2. play a game. Describe one of the objects for your classmates and see if they can guess what object is it. Use these examples to describe the object. Let's read the examples together. It's from Iran and it's made of wool. It's a rug. Yes. They are from Russia. They're made of wood. Matryoshka dolls. Yes. Exercise number 1. Read and think. The verb to be is a main verb or sometimes a helping verb. As a main verb, we use it to do many things. Here are some of the things we use it for. Number 1, to identify ourselves. For example, hello, I'm Ruby. Number 2, to say where we came from. Maha is from Oman. Number 3, to say how old we are. Ahmed is 12. Number 4, to describe a state or a condition. Rugs are made of wool. Exercise number 2. Think and write. Draw your face in box 1 and draw yourself and your friend in box 5. Now, write sentences about where the people and objects are from. Let's see the answers. I'm from Oman. Number 2, she's from Palestine. Number 3, he's from the USA. Number 4, it's from Iran. Number 5, we are from Oman. Number 6, they are from Oman. Exercise number 3. Read and match. Look at the verb to be in the 2 boxes below. Match a verb in the first column to a verb in the second column. Let's see the answers. We have am, he is, she is, it's, we are, they are. Now, let's move to exercise number 4. Write the rules. Let's see the answers. We use am with I. We use is with she, he, and it. We use are with they and we. Exercise number 1. Listen and tick. Sometimes it's easy to confuse the sound of the letter P with the sound of the letter B. Listen to these 2 words on the top. Tick the words you hear. Pen, ball. Exercise number 2. Do an experiment. Hold a balloon or a piece of paper in front of your mouth. Say the word pole. What happens? Now, say the word ball. Does the same thing happen? Now try and say this tongue twister. Penny's got a pink pencil, a purple pen, and a piece of paper in her pattern pocket. Say this tongue twister multiple times to practice pronouncing P. Did you notice that when you pronounce P, you blow out air from your mouth? But when you pronounce B, you don't blow out air from your mouth. That's the best way to see the difference between the 2 pronunciations, P and B. Now, let's move to exercise number 3. Say the tongue twister. Try and say this tongue twister, getting faster and faster. This is a traditional English tongue twister that English people have fun trying to get their tongues around. Listen carefully, then repeat. Peter Pepper picked a piece of pickled pepper. A piece of pickled pepper Peter Pepper picked. Now it's your turn to repeat it. Try to repeat it faster and faster. Exercise number 1. Make Tangram picture. You can arrange the 7 pieces of the Tangram square into lots of different shapes and make picture of animals, people, and objects. See how many different pictures you can make with the shapes. Use the Tangram square on cut out page P on page 73 at the back of your class book to make a picture. Show your Tangram picture to a friend and see if they can guess what it is. When you have made a picture you like, stick it on a piece of paper and write a sentence underneath the Tangram picture saying what it is. Then put it in your portfolio. Exercise number 2. Read and match. Look at these descriptions of patterns. Read each description and match it to the correct adjective. Let's see the answers. Number 1. Matches D. Circles of color. Spotted. Number 2. Matches C. Squares of different colors. Checked. Number 3. Matches A. Parallel lines of color. Striped. Number 4. Matches E. Flower shapes. Flowery. Number 5. Matches B. A pattern that looks like a line of the letter W joined together. Zigzag. Exercise number 3. Think and label. Look at the patterns in the pictures below. Use the adjectives in the activity 2 to label the pictures. Let's see the answers. Number 1. Zigzag. Number 2. Spotted. Number 3. Flowery. Number 4. Stripped. Number 5. Checked. Exercise number 1. Read and think. Punctuation helps to make our writing make sense. Without punctuation, what we write would be a collection of words that made no sense. Read this text. The fox ran around the farm chasing hens. It was brown and the hens were white. Yesterday, the fox stole the dates from the basket. It's very difficult to read and doesn't make sense. Now read the text again with punctuation. The fox ran around the farm, chasing hens. It was brown, and the hens were white. Yesterday, the fox stole the dates from the basket. It makes more sense with punctuation. Exercise number 2. Read, think and draw. Read the question and answer below. Look at the punctuation. What's in Maha's pencil case? A pen, a pencil, a ruler, and a book. Now, draw a rectangle around the question mark. Draw a triangle around the capital letters. Draw a circle around the commas. Draw a square around the full stop. Let's see the answers now. Exercise number 3. Read, think and correct. Read the questions and answers below. Add the punctuations. Let's add the punctuations first. Then, let's read the question and the answers. Now, after we added the punctuation, let's read the question. What is it? It's a matryoshka doll. Where is it from? Russia. What's in Maha's jewelry box? A necklace, a bracelet, a pair of earrings, and an anklet. Exercise number 4. Write the rules. We use a capital letter when we write a new sentence or when we write the name of a person, place, or thing. We use a full stop to show the end of a sentence. We use a question mark to show a question. We use a comma to take a little rest in a sentence. We use a comma to separate all the things in a list. We do not usually put a comma before the word and. Exercise number 1. Read and order. Ben has sent Ahmed instructions about how to make a sand painting. Unfortunately, his instructions have got mixed up. Can you put them in the correct order? You can find the instructions on cutout page 81 at the back of this book. Put the instructions in the correct order and then stick them on this page. Now, let's see the correct order of the instructions. Exercise number 1. Read and think. Can you remember the difference between different kinds of words in English? Do you have the same kinds of words in your language? In English, we have nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Nouns are naming words. They tell us the names of people, places, animals, and things. For example, this is Ahmed. Where is the necklace? Underline the nouns in these sentences. The nouns are Ahmed, necklace. The second part is verbs. Verbs are doing or being words. Let's see the examples. Cut the paper. I am 12 years old. Underline the verbs in these sentences. The verbs are cut, am. The last type of words are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about noun in a sentence. Let's see the examples. I have got 5 small dolls. There are 3 big blue and white flowery rugs. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. Small, big, blue, white, flowery. Exercise number 2. Look and sort. Look at these words from Unit 1. Sort them into nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Let's see the answers. For noun, we have pencil, paper, scissors, doll, rug, bird, frog, necklace. And the verbs we have cut, draw, stick, put, unfold, color, fold. For the adjectives we have square, stripped, zigzag, blue, 7, pink, big. Now, let's move to the exercise number 3. Think and complete the rule. A noun is a word that names someone or something. A verb is a doing or being word. An adjective is a word that describes the noun in the sentence. Exercise number 1. Look and match. How do you remember words in English? Have you got a special word book? Do you put them in your portfolio? Here are some ideas to help you organize how you store words in English. Look at each idea and find a picture that shows you what it looks like. Number 1 matches C. You can have pages for words beginning with the same letter. Number 2 matches A. You can have pages for different topics. Number 3 matches B. You can have pages for grammar, for example, nouns, verbs, adjectives. In addition, it's a good idea to put pictures in your word store too. Exercise number 2. Read and sort. Your word store does not have to be like your friends. We all learn and remember in different ways, so it's important that you choose the best ways for you. Look at these English words. Take cut out page 79 from the back of this book and sort the words and the rug into these different groups. Let's read the words first. We have write, small, checked, draw, pin, fold, paper, cut, blue, scissors, book, spotted. We have 3 ways to store the words. Number 1, alphabetical order. Number 2, topics. Number 3, grammar groups. We reached to the end of our video. Thank you for listening and watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.